Hi everyone, this is the 12th episode of the Digital Marketing 101 series, and it is about 12 on-page SEO techniques. I'm presenting each of these techniques as individual videos, and this is the 9th of the 12 techniques, and we're going to talk about how not to have broken links. What is a broken link, and how to remove broken links from your website. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. Have you ever surfed a website and landed on a page with a message like this? Frustrating, isn't it? And it also contributes to bad user experience. So it's no wonder that search engines do not like them too. These are what are called broken links. As you know by now, these are links on your website that points to a web address that does not exist. You must address this problem. Imagine when these broken links were supposed to lead to a sales page or product page, and if visitors cannot go to these pages, your sales and revenue will be adversely affected. Also, as mentioned earlier, search engines do not like broken links, and this can impact SEO. As such, your website and web pages can get low ranks or maybe not even ranked at all. The first order of the day is to find all the broken links on your website. There are many tools and sites available online to help you do this. What I like to do is use a plugin that I'm using called Broken Links Checker. This plugin helped me to regularly check my entire website and look out for any broken links. When there are any, I will get an email notification about it. It is so easy to fix broken links, especially with a plugin. The same plugin that I just mentioned helps me to fix all my broken links, but I have to do it manually. I have to check each broken link to make sure that it is not really an issue, or if it is, then the plugin has many options to fix it, such as edit the link, remove the link, or even dismiss it if it's actually not a link. Do you have any questions about broken links? Let me know in the comments below. In my next video, I will share about another on-page SEO technique, and that is SEO-friendly URL. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.